Hello, my name is Raman Baig and I'm going to grade 7. Today I'd like to share my poem with you. It's called The Pond of My Life. Let's get started then, shall we? Today I am a child. My parents look after me all the time. Whenever I fall, I cry. Can somebody help me? My mother comes rushing to my wounds. She tends them. Oh, how grateful I am. Oh, how grateful I am. Or I am not. Sending my needy parents to a folk home. Never once did I think of bringing them back. Do I not even turn back for just a glimpse of the two folks that raised me up? Feeding them, raising them like they did to me when I was a child. Shouldn't I be taking care of them? Not a random volunteer. 2 years later. Oh, how grateful I am, or I am not. Then comes the coronavirus, an outbreak at the folks' home. I spend my whole life carrying a rock on my chest that will never be lifted. Now that I have children, I realize my mistake. The mistake I made 2 years ago, now my children will make with me. Now it's my turn to be rejected by the greatest joy of my life. I regret it. Should I not have made you the pond of my life, the outcome would have been different. I realize now, but it's too late. I can't turn back. Only go forward, hoping that my children realize the pond matters before it becomes a part of our tradition. For generations and generations to come. It's the same. Can't people end this barbaric system? Stop it, stop it. It's too much sorrow that my heart can contain. Please, I beg you, end your treacherous system. Should I not have made you the pawn of my life, the outcome would have been different. I take my last breath saying, the mistake I made cost me my heart, my life. Thank you.